Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2021 Halloween Hot Wheels. Today we have a 2014 Corvette Stingray. Check out the artwork on this card. And it's got the purple mags with the skulls. This is going to be really cool to open. Here's some of the other cars you can get. And I have a grabber. I opened up a grabber once. Didn't get many views on it, but that's okay. 2020 copyright. 14 Corvette Stingray, Mattel Hot Wheels. 2021 Halloween. Wow, look at that. Tore that up. Who can tell? Oh, wow. This feels really nice in my hands. I'm loving it. I'm loving the purple mags matching the interior. This is really sweet. This dark red. Ooh, it's... I want to say it's metallic, but I don't really think it is. It could be a little bit. Driving on the left. Look at all that purple interior matching those mags. That's so sweet. And this dark red, kind of looks metallic. Plastic bottom, and that dark red is metal. Little skulls on the side there, almost like a Grateful Dead theme with these kind of skulls. Made in Malaysia. 2 rivets, 1 painted, 1 not. Let's see how it rolls on my track. It rolls well and comes back. How about if I'm squeezing the ball? Oh, it's even better. It's going up, off. There we go. Ha ha ha. Oh, I love it. This is a fun one. It's a fun one. Ooh. Will it give me a drift? Ready? The RPM's up on that one. Oh, misses everything. Perfect drift. Look at that. That was sweet. Oh, I'm glad it didn't fall. Oh, nice. I really like the colors of this a lot. The yellow windshield and everything. Take a good look at the colors of this. I'm going to go slowly. Look at those skull mags, too. And my final say on the dark red is metallic, especially looking in the back right there. Thanks, everybody. Please subscribe. Hit that like button and notification bell. Till next time, T10 out.